Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a very beautiful, summery, glowy look for you. Palette that I used to create this eye look is the Morphe 3502 palette Second Nature. Continue watching if you guys want to know how I beat this face. So I already have my foundation on and stuff. Now let's get into the look. So today's eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, Second Nature by Morphe. It's a really pretty pigmented color. It's gorgeous. The first shade that we want to dip into is Orby right here. And then we are going to apply this to the crease and then blend it out. So I don't have my laptop here with me, that's why I'm gonna be looking at the viewfinder often to check if I'm in focus. My mom had to use the laptop, so I had to give her mine to use. We want this orange color to show as much as possible. This orange-red color. What color is this? I don't even know. If I am out of focus, sorry, but I don't think I will be out of focus because I have it set to locate my face. The second color we are going to dip into is Spice. It's the third row and it's the second from the first. We are just going to dip in there and then we are only going to apply this to the crease. And then we are going to blend it out a little bit. We are going to dip in the zone right here. And then we are only going to apply this to the outer eye and blend some into the crease. I'm going to go in with my crease brush and then blend this all out. And if it looks harsh, just keep gently blending it out, but make sure you don't blend it in with the outside colors because you want those to show still, and you don't want to like blur you don't want to like blend those two colors together because we're trying to like have a multi-color eyeshadow. Like we want lights and dark. Now we are going to do our cut crease. For cut crease, you want to get a flat brush like this. Some people usually cut with concealers, but I'm gonna do mine a little different. I'm going to use the Anastasia Liquid Glow. It is a liquid highlighter. I have a sample of it. We are going to cut the inner crease. You can use concealer if you want, but I like using the Liquid Glow because it makes it actually look hella shimmery and glowy and bright. So I'm going to just use that. And if I'm out of focus, I'm sorry you guys. I'm gonna keep checking the monitor. I meant the viewfinder. Like before, I used to be so scared to do cut creases. But now like that I'm like more into it, I'm just like, oh, this is easy. Like, just be very gentle with it, be slow, take your time. There's no need to rush because the shape has to be perfect. And then we are just going to feather it out. I kind of messed up the inner corners, but it's okay. So you guys see how like it looks so much better than using like regular concealer. It already has shimmer in it, so you don't really need to do anything else. You don't have to set it because it dries pretty quick. It's not tacky for the eyes. It dries perfectly good. And it saves you time. So that way, like, you don't have to like, oh, I had to cut my eye. I mean, I had to do cut crease with concealer. Then I gotta set it and then add shimmer and then do whatever I want. But with this, all you have to do is just shape it in and girl, you done. Let it dry and you set for life. Like, you ain't gotta do anything else. You ain't gotta add shimmer to it. But you do wanna blend this out. We're gonna go back in with the color Spice with our oval brush. And then we are just going to dip and going to apply it towards the bottom, doing a line like this, going from right here and then up. We just want to make the ends not look so harsh. And then we are gonna go back in with the color in the zone right here. Just one dip is good. And then we are just going to apply that and blend it out. You guys can add some more shimmers if you guys want, but I like it just like this. Let me do the other side. Hey guys, my camera died and it didn't save the file where I applied blush and highlighter, so I'm super sorry about that. But continue watching the rest of the video. Mascara. I'm gonna prime so that way I can get a fuller look. The mascara that I'm using is L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. The lip color that I'm going to be using today is Jeffree Star in Dottie. It's kind of dark, so I'm going to mix it with the colors. Like, yes, this is like some of the only lipsticks that I have. I have more lipsticks, but I just like this. Like, Jeffree Star knows what he's doing. So I was gonna get braces again. I went to go get a quote and oh my god, bitch, no thank you. It was $3,800 for braces for only 6 months. And I had to do a down payment of $750 and that's ridiculous. And the monthly payment for 6 months is $516. I was like, no thank you. We're just going to dot a little bit on. Make sure you put chapstick on first. And this is like the best thing that can happen to your lips. Blistick Lip Serum. It is great for prepping the lips for lipstick, chapstick, moisturizers, anything. It's really good. Like, if you guys have really chapped lips, use that first, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then just apply some chapstick on top, and your lips go so bah. We are gonna go in with some mascara. We're gonna let that dry and then we are going to continue with our lips. I'm going to go in with this lipstick brand called Goddess by Mania Carda, blah, blah, blah. Looks like this. My aunt got it. I don't know where she got it, but the colors are cute and the formula is amazing. We are just going to apply this to the inner lips. Whoa! That came out pinker than it was supposed to. We're gonna go in with some more Jeffree. And then we are just going to take our comb brush. I'm missing 2 combs, but it's okay. And then we are just going to comb our lashes. Make sure there's no, like, clumpiness. We are going to take our eyelashes. I'm going to be using Color Mates. These are from Dollar Tree. They're fucking cute. Grab our setting spray. Best way to apply lashes is to look down. So just get like a mirror and then just look down and apply it. So just let that dry. And we are going to do the right side. I meant the left side. Lashes always makes an eye makeup look good. Brows too, but I didn't really want to do my brows. I mean, I filled them in a little bit. And now you want to press those lashes together. You can curl your lashes before, but my eyelashes are already curly. That's why I'm having difficulties with my left side. And then you can add some more mascara, but camera stopped recording my video by itself. But hopefully you guys got to see me putting my eyelashes on. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel. See you guys again soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah.